Big power, compact size, endless possibilities. Meet the Mini Excavator. Designed for tight spaces, mini excavators deliver performance where larger machines can't operate. Ideal for confined job sites, narrow access areas, and urban construction projects. Perfect for trenching utilities, water lines, electrical cables, and drainage systems. Handles foundation digging with precision and stability. Excellent for landscaping, grading, tree planting, and fence post digging. With hydraulic breaker attachments, it can handle light demolition work easily. One machine, multiple attachments, endless job capabilities. Advanced hydraulic systems provide smooth, precise control for every movement. Ergonomic controls and comfortable seating reduce fatigue and increase productivity. Efficient engines deliver strong performance while keeping fuel costs low. Lightweight and easy to transport from one site to another. Built with reinforced frames and strong tracks for tough working conditions. Perfect for contractors, landscapers, farmers, and construction professionals. Compact, powerful, reliable. The Mini Excavator is ready to power your next project.